Hi friends and viewers, welcome to Ball Nach's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a Chinese preparation called Sesame Fried Chicken. So let's go into the recipe. I have took a chicken breast which is like around 300 to 400 grams I have took, and I have made it juliennes. It's a kind of thick juliennes. We are going to make a sauce. I have took a thick soy sauce. So for this preparation we need to dilute the soy sauce with like 2 teaspoons of vinegar and like 2 spoons of water. Just dilute it. Then along with this you can add like either brown sugar or a jaggery, like 2 spoons along with this. So after making this, keep it aside. Preparing the sauce, we are going to use that. Now I am going to show you how the marination is going to be. So first, along with the chicken breast, I'm adding corn flour, like 4 to 5 tables of corn starch actually, to make you understand. Then 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I'm adding salt required, black pepper powder, that's also like required, MSG, that is of Ajinomoto. It's completely optional. If you're health conscious, you don't want to add it, but today I'm adding it. Soy sauce, again for marination also we need, so I'm adding like 1 full tablespoon. And very important, I'm going to add an egg white. For this we don't want the yolk, so I'm just going to separate the egg white. So just we need the egg white. So I have added the egg white. Now we are going to mix it. Make sure the chicken get binded with the flour and the soy sauce. Mix it thoroughly. Now what we are going to do is fry the chicken. I have added like around half cup of oil. Fry this chicken. It has to be very crispy for this preparation. So just spread this chicken all over the pan. And after like 3 or 4 minutes, we are going to turn around all the chicken. Our frying part is done with our marinated chicken. See how we have got a nice color of chicken. So I'm taking all this separately. Now we are going to toss this chicken with an excellent sauce. I'm going to show you how it is. See, our chicken is very crispy. So for this preparation, the chicken has to be like this. Now I'm going to show you how to toss it. For this we need 2 dry red chili. Add it. The oil is heated. I'm going to add the green chili also, chopped, like 2 numbers. It's going to be a little spicy, so we need to add 2 types of chilies in this. Chopped garlic, 3 to 4 cloves. So this is very important for any Indo-Chinese or Asian preparation. Garlic flavors, like kills the chicken. Then along with this, we are going to add grated chopped ginger, or just like 1 inch of ginger, it's fine. Gets a dark brown. So at this stage I'm going to add a finely chopped onion, juliennes of bell peppers. I'm adding green. Even if you have red bell pepper also, it's fine. You can add along with this to give a nice and attractive color. So toss it for a few minutes. Make sure you don't overcook the bell peppers, because we need that nice green color to be retained. Now I'm adding the sauce, which is like a thick soy sauce diluted with water and 2 spoons of vinegar, along with 2 spoons of jaggery. So this preparation is mostly dominated with the soy sauce. It has that punch. Let it reduce for like 30 seconds. So at this stage we are going to add little salt. Make sure you're careful with the salt, because soy sauce had a lot of salty taste. I'm adding black pepper, half teaspoon, and again a pinch of MSG. It's completely optional again. So the sauce is ready, and always for the Chinese or any Asian preparation, the flame has to be high. And I'm adding this crispy fried chicken along with this. Toss it. Make sure the sauce, onion, garlic, everything coats the fried chicken. And we should not keep the chicken for a long time in the flame, because we need to maintain the crispness. So that gives the unique taste for this chicken preparation. Almost ready. Now we came to the serving part. At this stage, if you have a spring onion, like it is very better to add at this stage. Today, like in my local market, it is not available, so I'm not adding in this. Instead of that, I'm adding little chopped cilantro, that is coriander leaves, and finally, it's a very important part, our sesame. I'm adding at the last, so this gives a good flavor for the chicken. So that's how we call as sesame fried garlic chicken. It's ready. Now I'm going to serve. This is how we need to serve this chicken. It is a very good starter, and for chicken lovers, trust me, it is going to be the biggest treat. So please try this recipe, and if there is any comment, please let me in my comment box. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye from Balnachi.